Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two ITEL smartwatches. We have the first one here, the ITEL Storm Plus smartwatch, and the newest from ITEL, the ITEL Storm Ultra smartwatch. So this one, the name for this wearable, or the model name, is the ISWO15 smartwatch for the Storm Plus smartwatch, while for the Storm Ultra it is the ISWO23. On this video, we are going to compare these two smartwatches. We will compare the specs, the design, as well as the menus and features. So if you are interested to see what is the difference between the Storm Plus versus the Storm Ultra, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and compare the two wearables. As you can see here, they have the same packaging here, the Storm Plus and the Storm Ultra. So different design for the smartwatch, the same type of packaging. For the support app, it is different. Here it is using a different application. I think this is JU Pro if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and the other one, it is using the iPulse application. Okay, at the back here, we still have that original sticker. Then we have the specifications: 2.01 inch IPS, 240 by 296 pixel resolution for the Storm Plus, while for the Storm Ultra we do have a 2.02, slightly bigger TFT, then with a much better screen resolution, pixel resolution, 320 by 390, while here we do have the 240 by 296. So the same Bluetooth version. For the battery, much bigger battery life for our Storm Ultra with 300 mAh, while for the Storm Plus we do have 270 mAh. So the same charging time, the same water resistance, IP68 water rating. For the features here, okay, metal frame, PC material, I think, for our Storm Plus. Okay, we'll check on that. Okay, and next, so we are done with the specifications of both smartwatches. This time we are going to explore the specs of, or the design of, each wearable. Let's go first with the weight. Again, this is the Storm Ultra. So let's check on the weight. Zero, and we have 58.92, while for our Storm Plus we have 43.20, so lighter body frame for our Storm Plus compared to the Storm Ultra. Why is it that the Storm Plus is much lighter? Okay, as you can see here, it has a plastic body frame, while for our Storm Plus it has a metal body frame. There's also a physical button here, side button, for our Storm Ultra compared to the Storm Plus. I guess they have the same size of the crown button. At the back, I think I like the look here of the Storm Plus compared to the Storm Ultra. Okay, we do have a branding here. The side, we do have a speaker. Okay, for the thickness, let's check. So this is the Storm Plus. So let's check on the thickness. We have 10.7. For the Storm Ultra, 10.4. Okay, so just see minor difference, I think. Okay, again, for the design, let's have a closer look. So which do you think is much better? Okay, the Storm Plus or the Storm Ultra? When it comes to durability, I think I like the Storm Ultra. It has a metal body frame compared to our Storm Plus that has a plastic material or PC material. Okay, so we are done with a design. Let's go now with the menus and features for the smartwatch. Again, this is the Storm Plus or Storm Ultra, the new one, 023, and the Storm Plus 015. Alright, so after the design and the specifications, let's proceed to the menus and features of the ITEL Storm Plus smartwatch compared with the ITEL Storm Ultra smartwatch. Okay, for the UI, on top we have the settings here and other options. So the same with our Storm Ultra. So which do you think is much better when it comes to the arrangement or to the UI? I think this one, the Storm Plus, do have a much better look. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. On the left side, we have the split screen, so just the same. On the right side, we have the different cards. Okay, so activity, so this one, automatic activity tracking. So which do you think is much better? I think it's just the same. Okay, we have the sleep monitoring, the heart rate, so different UI here with minimum and maximum. We have the blood oxygen monitoring. You can add your own also if you like. And that's it. For the watch faces, let's see. So here are the offered watch faces. For the Storm Ultra, much better looking watch faces, I think. Okay. Then next, for the menus and features, just press the power button and we have it here. Okay, we do have the Bluetooth call for both smartwatches. Okay, we have the phone call here. As you can see, we also have it here. Exercises. Okay, we have sports functions. Call records, data, workout. We have our sports here. Let's see. Yes, we have. Okay, let's compare the sports functions. So which has a good number of sports. So very limited here for our Storm Plus. While for the Storm Ultra, we do have a comprehensive list of sports functions. Okay, let's see. Plus, so different categories for sports. Going back, blood oxygen, we do have a stress monitoring, sleep monitoring. We also have a weather report, shutter, music player, AI voice. We also have it here. I think they almost have the same features here, except for the sports function. Also have here the calculator, find phone. Okay. For the sports function, we do have more than 100, I think, for the Storm Ultra. Very limited for our Storm Plus. So brightness, we also have here brightness, watch face, screen time, menu view. Okay, just the same. We also have here the menu style. Okay, display. How many menu view do we have? I like the setup here compared to this one. Much easier to identify. Display again. Okay, list view. Going back. Let's go to the settings. Low power mode, you have it here. Battery, do we have a password here? Set time, password. Yes, we also have it here. But we don't have an option to set time, I think. in our plus we have an option to set time. We don't have it here in our Storm Ultra. I don't know why they not include this feature. Very important. Okay, so there are some features here in the settings for Storm Plus that is not available here on the Storm Ultra. Again, let's go back to the main menu. Okay, so they almost have the same feature. The big difference between the two is when it comes to the features is the sports function. There's a huge difference when it comes to the sports functions. Okay, other than that, just a minor difference. But when it comes to the design, improved look for the O23 or the Storm Plus smartwatch. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of its design, the specs, and the features of the smartwatch Storm Plus from ITEL and their newest smartwatch, the smartwatch Storm Ultra. If you have any questions regarding these smartwatches, drop a comment below. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.